Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain one more example on cut set matrix. Write cut set matrix for the network graph shown. Let's write number of nodes n equal to, here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. Number of nodes equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just naming the nodes here. Number of branches in the network graph, let me show you the branches A, B, C, D, E, F. So number of branches equal to 6. Those are A, B, C, D, E, F. Number of twigs. Number of twigs small t equal to n minus 1. Where n is the number of nodes, I can write it as 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. Number of links small l equal to b minus n plus 1. 6 minus 4 plus 1, 3. And cut set is represented with symbol Q. Order of cut set is T by B, where T is the number of twigs, that equal to 3 here, and B is the number of branches, that is 6. Number of branches 6. And number of cut sets is equal to number of twigs. Number of cut sets is equal to number of twigs, and number of twigs here is n minus 1, that equal to 3. Let us draw a possible tree for the given graph. Tree is a sub-connected graph which consists of all nodes but no closed path. So let me put all nodes 1, 2, 3, 4. It consists of all nodes but no closed path. So I would like to take this as tree to write cut set matrix. If you want, you can take another tree as well. You will get different kind of cut set matrix. F, and this is E. Branches of tree are called twigs and remaining branches are called links. Let us use dotted lines for remaining branches. This is A, B, and this is C. Okay, let us write cut set matrix now. Let me redraw the tree. One, two, three, 4. This is F, this is E, and this is D. C, A, and this is B. Okay, so cut set consists of one twig. Cut set contains one twig and one or more links. And direction of cut set is in the direction of twig current. Direction of cut set is always in the direction of twig current. Okay, so for this given graph, let us start with node 1. So node 1 is connected to one twig and two links. So cut set can be formed at this node. So this is one cut set. I'm naming this cut set as C1. And this is fine. Second point, direction of cut set is always in the direction of twig current. So the direction of twig current is in this direction. So this is in this direction, even in this direction, and here in this direction. So cut set C1 related branches are, let us write in alphabetical order, A, C, F. Next, cut set, let us look at node 2. Node 2 is connected to one twig and two links. So this, there is a possibility of forming cut set here. And direction of this cut set is always in the direction of twig current. Twig current is in this direction. So it will be in this direction. Even here it will be in this direction. Cut set 2 related branches are in alphabetical order A, B, D. Next, let us look at node 3, and node 3 is attached to one twig and two links. So there is a possibility of cut set, let it be C3. And direction of a cut set is always in the direction of twig current, in the direction of E here. So this will be in this direction and this will be in this direction. And cut set 3 related branches are alphabetical order B, C, E. So I can write now cut set matrix as Q T by B, where T is the number of twigs, 3 into branches. So we can have here 3 twigs C1, C2, C3, and branches as 6A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, the elements of cut set matrix will be always either +1, -1 or 0. Let us see, let us fill the first row C1. Look at first row, we have the branches A, C, F. So put A, C, F as first ones. Later we will decide whether it is a +1 or -1, and remaining elements will be 0 because they are not involved in this cut set. And let us look at the direction for A. So direction of A, here you can see, direction of A is in this direction, which is in the opposite direction of this cut set. So this is -1. And direction of C, C is in the same direction as cut set direction, so it will be +1. And direction of F, F is nothing but here twig branch current. So obviously according to this condition, direction of cut set is always in the direction of twig current, as these are both in same direction, will have +1. Next, C2, let us fill second row then. Look at C2, the branches related to C2 are A, B, D, A, B, D. Remaining branches are not connected to this cut set 2, will put zeros over there. Now let us look at the direction of branches in each branch. Coming to alphabetical order A, look at branch A. Here direction of cut set is in this direction. A is flow in reverse direction. So this is -1. And then here the direction of B is in the same direction of this C2, +1. Next D and this cut set 2 direction is also same, +1. Next, coming to C3. Let's fill the row 3. C3, here you can see. And let us start in alphabetical order B, C, E. B, C, E. Remaining branches are not connected to this cut set, will put 0. Identify the direction of current in each and every branch. So let us see first B. B is in the same direction. The current flowing in the branch B is in the same direction of cut set. So +1. Next, the direction of current in branch E is in the same direction of cut set 3, +1. Next, current direction in branch C is in reverse direction of cut set 3. So we'll put -1 over here. This is how we can write cut set matrix. That's all for this video. Thank you.